On March 11, 2025, former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte was arrested in Manila. This was for an international warrant by the ICC. Duterte was flown to The Hague, Netherlands. He became the first Asian leader to face ICC justice. The arrest sent shockwaves through the Philippines and beyond. At the heart of the ICC's case against Duterte were charges of crimes against humanity. These charges stemmed from his controversial war on drugs. Launched shortly after he took office in 2016, the campaign aimed to eradicate illegal drugs in the Philippines. The ICC accused Duterte of orchestrating and inciting widespread and systematic violence against suspected drug users and dealers. The court alleged that the Philippine National Police, acting under Duterte's orders, had carried out extrajudicial killings on a massive scale. Duterte, for his part, had always defended his drug war. He argued that it was necessary to tackle the country's drug problem. He claimed that the killings were justified and that his administration was committed to the rule of law. Duterte's arrest raised important questions about the ICC's jurisdiction, particularly in cases where a country had withdrawn from the court. The Philippines had officially withdrawn from the Rome Statute, the treaty that established the ICC in 2019. This was a direct response to the court's investigation into Duterte's drug war. Despite the Philippines' withdrawal, the ICC maintained that it retained jurisdiction over crimes committed during the country's membership period from 2011 to 2019. Duterte's supporters argued that the ICC had no right to try him. They claimed that the Philippines had a functioning justice system capable of handling any allegations against him. They filed petitions with the Philippine Supreme Court challenging the ICC's jurisdiction. However, the ICC prosecutor remained steadfast, arguing that the court's mandate was clear. In the face of these grave charges, Duterte assembled a legal team combining international expertise and unwavering loyalty. Leading the defense was Nicholas Kaufman, a British-Israeli lawyer with extensive experience in international criminal law. Kaufman was known for his sharp legal mind and his ability to navigate the complexities of the ICC. Alongside Kaufman were two figures deeply familiar with Duterte's political and legal battles: Salvador Medialdea, who served as Duterte's executive secretary, and Harry Roque, Duterte's former presidential spokesperson. Medialdea, a seasoned lawyer himself, brought to the team his intimate knowledge of the Philippine legal system and Duterte's inner circle. Roque, known for his fiery defenses of Duterte's policies, took on the role of the team's public face. He was tasked with managing the media narrative and presenting a united front against what he called a politically motivated prosecution. Duterte's legal team wasted no time in outlining their defense strategy. They argued that the ICC lacked jurisdiction and that the charges against Duterte were baseless. They claimed that the killings were not state-sanctioned but rather the result of rogue police officers or vigilante groups. Duterte's arrest had a profound impact, stirring strong emotions and discussions both domestically and internationally. Others symbolized it as accountability, while others saw it as a controversial or politically charged event. His daughter, Kitty Duterte, condemned the arrest as state kidnapping and vowed to fight for his release. Human rights groups celebrated Duterte's arrest as a victory for accountability, whereas Duterte supporters argue that the war on drugs campaign led to a reduction in crime rates and created a sense of security in some communities. This duality highlights the complexity of the issue, with both supporters and critics presenting compelling arguments. What do you think? Comment below.